today's video, we are going to be multiplying polynomials. We are going to specifically look at multiplying a binomial times a polynomial. And the polynomial is actually going to be a three-term polynomial called a trinomial. Example number 17, a minus 4 times a squared minus 2a plus 6. So we're going to use the distributive property and we're going to multiply the a times the three terms in the trinomial and then the negative 4 times the three terms in the trinomial. So a times a squared is going to be a to the third power. A times negative 2a is going to be negative 2a to the second power. And a times 6 is going to be 6a. Now we're going to distribute the negative 4 to the three terms. So negative 4 times a squared is negative 4a squared. Notice I'm lining it up with the other like term that is an a squared term. We have negative 4 times 2a, that's going to be a positive 8a. And then last we have our constants. Negative 4 times positive 6 is negative 24. Now that I've used the distributive property, I'm going to combine like terms. I'll drop down that a cubed, and then I'll combine the coefficients for the next term. Negative 2a squared and negative 4a squared makes negative 6a squared. 6a plus 8a makes 14a, and then I'll bring down my negative 24. Number 18, we're going to do the exact same way. We're going to first start off by distributing the 3x to the three terms in the trinomial. So 3x times 2x squared, 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x squared is x to the third power. 3x times x is going to be 3x to the second power. And then 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. All right, now we'll distribute the 4. 4 times 2x squared is going to be 8x squared, and that's a positive 8x squared. And then we have 4 times x, that'll be a positive 4x. And then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Now that we're finished distributing, we can just combine like terms. Drop down that 6x cubed plus 3x squared and 8x squared will make 11x squared. Negative 6x plus 4x, that will give me negative 2x, and then minus 8.